part 4 of the restoration of the KLH Model 5. I forgot to mention in the video before is that after you put in the stain, you have to buff out the remaining. So you wipe it clean. Alright. Wait about 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour. And then you could put in the polish. I chose again Howard's Feed and Wax. I put some on a clean rag. And now I'm going to apply it. The direction says use a generous amount. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to do. According to this, it has beeswax and orange oil. Put some more. This is the first time I'm doing this, so learning experience. Very shiny. All right, the edges too. Very nice. These cabinets are not perfect. There's dings and deep gouges and scratches, but I'm not gonna go crazy. It's definitely 100% improvement of what they were before. Smells good too. I guess it's that orange oil. Yep, very orangey. Okay. That's that. Next will be part 5. Most likely putting back the crossover and the woofer. Until then.